Hi everyone, welcome back to the Quick Tech tutorial. Today for this video of Quick Tech, I will be showing you how to block calls on Messenger. Now to do that, open the Messenger application first. Now you want to block a certain someone on Messenger to block their calls. So to do that, you need to first open their profile. Tap open that profile in the Messenger chat box. Tap that. Once you're at the chat section with that person or the profile, you tap on the eye icon on the top right. Tap that. Here you just need to scroll down and you will have the option of block. You tap that. So there's two ways how you can block someone. You can block their messages and calls on Messenger, and you can also block that person on Facebook. To block a call on Messenger, you can just tap on block message and call. Tap that minus icon, block message and call. The conversation will stay in chat unless you archive it. Tap on block. Once you do that, this person will no longer be able to text you or call you on Messenger. This person is only blocked on Messenger from texting and calling you, but the person is not blocked on Facebook. You will still be able to view their profile on the Facebook. So this is how you can block calls on Messenger. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Quick Tech tutorial. Thank you.